Hi, friends. I'm excited for our writing skills today because we are going to be making humps. And a hump is important to know how to make and recognize because when you learn the letters H, M, and N, then you will see the hump that's in those letters. And when you go to learn to write them, you'll say, "Oh, I know how to make an H because it has a hump in it." And an M and an N also has a hump in it. So today we're going to first make our hump and practice it, and then we're going to write our hump. All right, let's get started. So you need your Play-Doh with you today, or your clay, and you're going to need your dry eraser board and marker. And if you don't ever have a dry eraser board and marker with you, you can always use a paper and pencil, okay? So I got my Play-Doh and I've been working on really trying to get that lid off. So take a second and get that lid off best you can. It's getting easier. All right, get your dough out. There we go. And then first thing we're going to do is remember we're going to make a ball. So take a little bit of your dough and roll it in your hands to make a ball. Now, the hump has lines in it that we know. So, when we're making a hump today, you're going to say, "Oh, yeah, I know how to make a vertical line." Let's review those a little bit. Mirror. Oh, good job doing what I did. Mirror. Vertical. Straight up and down. Vertical. Horizontal. Yes, flat. Horizontal, like we're lying in bed. Diagonal. Good. Vertical, horizontal, diagonal. Awesome. Sometimes Mrs. O will say, mirror's off, and that means you don't have to do what I'm doing anymore. The mirror is off. So, mirror's off. Good job. Okay, so our hump is going to have two vertical lines in it. Okay. So I have my ball and I'm going to take it over to the board here. Remember, I do it up here so you can see it, and you do it on your table in front of you while you're watching, okay? And I'm going to roll out my ball to make a vertical line. And I'm going to make my vertical line a little longer today, okay? You can pause it if you're not ready yet, okay? I have my vertical line. And my vertical line needs to start on the left. Remember our song? Let's sing it. Top to bottom, left to right, left to right. Top to bottom, left to right, left to right. Top to bottom, left to right. That is how we read and write. Top to bottom, left to right, left to right. Good. So just like the cup, the hump is going to start from the left and go to the right. So you're going to make your vertical line on the left, and I'm going to put it like this so that my bottom is here. And then I'm going to curve it and another vertical line to the right. And I've made a hump. And you can see in the letter H, M, and N that there's a hump in those letters. Yeah. Do you have a letter in your name that has a hump in it? All right, good. So we're going to make another hump and try it again. Okay, so get some clay, make it into a ball. All right, once you have your ball, remember you can pause the video at any time if you need more time. And then you're going to lay it on the table and roll it out to make a vertical line, kind of like a snake. Okay, put your vertical line. Oh, mine kind of came apart there. Here we go. Put your vertical line to the left because we go from left to right. Vertical line, curve it to the right, vertical line down. And there's my hump. Now you can pause the video and you can make some smaller humps. You can make some bigger, taller humps. Okay, just make sure you start on the left and go to the right. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is take my finger and send the message up to my brain and train my brain so that I remember how to make it. So when I get ready to write it, my brain is ready. So I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to make my vertical line, curve it around, vertical line down, vertical line up, curve it around, vertical line down. And I've made a hump. Awesome job. Now we're going to practice writing our hump. And so let me just quickly put my Play-Doh away and make sure I get the lid on. Hear that snap? That's so it doesn't dry out, right? And you can use paper pencil, marker board, and marker. Just make sure that when you're sitting in your chair, your back is nice and straight and your feet are flat on the floor. Because a good writing posture helps you do your best when you're writing and hold the pencil well and do a good job when you're making those shapes. So I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to start over here on the left and do a vertical line up, curve to the right, vertical line down. And I have made a hump. Very good. I like how you showed me your hump. That's always helpful. You could show somebody at your house too. All right, let's try it again. Erase. Here we go, making another hump. Vertical line up, curve around to the right, vertical line down. I'm going to make a smaller hump now. Vertical line up, curve to the right, vertical line down. So, why don't you pause the video and practice making some more humps? All right, nice work. You guys worked so hard using your board and marker and your Play-Doh today, but now we're going to practice using our pencil and remember how we sit in the chair when we're back straight, feet flat. Very good. And on the page, when you click next, you're going to remember to click um, the little purple icon, and a page will come up for you to practice making humps with your pen on the computer. And the humps are the top of ice cream popsicles. I know, but they're missing. So you're going to have to trace the humps to make the tops of the ice cream popsicles. Okay, so do your best and then you click the arrow in the top and it will send your paper to the teacher so she can see the work that you've been doing at home. Nice job on strengthening your muscles and making humps today. Bye-bye.